Before using the machine, we need to synchronize the Wii remote control. The machine can operate in 3 different modes. First, we have the manual mode, where the user can control the remote in real time. If the vision system detects that there is no USB stick, it will show an insert coin sign. The game begins. As you can see, we have a synchronization between the remote control and the remote movements in real time. All this thanks to National Instruments' cRIO technology. If after 60 seconds the user has not taken the key through the exit hole, the remote shows a game over sign. In the event that the user shoots with the remote control to grasp the stick and the vision system has detected that the remote is not in the right coordinates, it will show a sign and the remote goes back to the previous position. The second mode is the automatic one, where the closed loop of the vision system and the remote will execute the operation without human intervention. The last mode composes the number 25, which celebrates the 25th anniversary of the EIIT and 3T Company Group, member of the National Instruments Alliance Partner Program.